Hello, I'm jguzman doing a demo for my FBX converter. I did this for my game engine class at DePaul. As you can see, this is the final result. This is a model on the screen using the FBX converter. This was originally an FBX. You can see there's the space frigate. If we turn the camera a little bit, we could see another figure over there. It's another model. And this is supposed to be another model, but it didn't turn out so well, so I'll explain that in a little bit. But that's a quick run through of that demo. So quick code review. This is my converter right here. It was originally an FBX example file, but I changed it up in class to convert FBXs into custom formats, which my custom format is a con file. Now, as you can see right here, this is it's going to take in some arguments and it's going to parse it into a proper format to convert the FBX into my format, and it'll do its basic code of getting of displaying all the vert data, and then let's take a look at it. And here's display mesh, which is basically going through the FBX and taking all the proper data. Here, display controls points takes all the vertexes and displays them. Here we also grab the vertexes, and if the normals are here, we also grab them as well. And then right here is the display polygons function, which looks for all the polygons and takes their triangle. Basically, they're the polygons that have the control points. Some of them have normal, some of them have UVs. So we try to adjust for each FBX. Right here, we check if there's a quad, if there's 4 control points to a polygon, and we adjust accordingly we adjust our buffers there. Right here, we take in the proper vertexes, along with we check if the normals were set earlier, and if they were, we set them here. If not, we'll set them later. Right here, we check if this is just a regular triangle or if it's a quad, and we make other triangles to make this a quad. So we tessellate it. And then down here, we take the UVs and we put that into our buffers. And along with the normals, if we didn't set them earlier, we set them right here with the polygons. Now, we will then push those into one big buffer, and we push the triangles into another buffer. So those will take us back to main, and then we just take those buffers, sort them out, and try to condense them into the proper VBO verts and the VBO triangles, and then we write those to a file. We also write in the texture format right there. If we want to change the textures, we change the GL parameters, and we put in the proper texture file name. Then we write it to a file, which I will show you right here. This is already in a directory with the FBXs and my converter. So this is how you convert. Type in the executable, the file you want to convert. Let's do space frigate .fbx. Let's write all that text into a text file. So we do space frigate .txt, and now we do the proper format, which is we check the name, which is -n, and then this is going to be space frigate .con. That's my custom file format, and then we check the texture name, which will be space frigate .tga, and it's right there too. So just hit enter and it'll convert it, so that we have our con file and our texture our text file, which has like all the data and all the verts. So here we take this confold file and we would bring it over to our engine, or not there, the directory, and we would paste it right here. And yep, copy that, and then we just run the engine, and right there is the con file we just made. So So let's just rotate around there, take a look at it. It's got all the texture UVs and everything. We could also change up the shading of it, so you can see, and then it's just constant shading with lighting, just different shades. We could also change up the texture on it, but it would take away our old texture. And here is the other file, or the other model that I did. The textures didn't come out so well, so I just put in my own little texture there. It's supposed to be a big Hulk guy. Let's go take a look at him. Zoom on in there, and you can see around him right there. See, the vertexes came out alright, but something went wrong with the UVs, so I'll have to fix that sooner or later. And then we'll go back to where we were. And this was supposed to be another model as well, but it did not turn out so well. So just a quick look at it, it's supposed to be not that. So I will hopefully fix that soon. But two models came out well, the Space Frigate and the Umber Hulk low polygons. So that is my converter. Thank you for listening.